When you choose an object, the rotation point option will appear here. There are 9 squares with the default being the center. The rotation point describes where the animation will start. I've created 3 strings of text with the typewriter effect and 3 boxes with the zoom scale up effect. So let's take a look at how the rotation point affects each. With the default center point, the text starts from the center and spreads outwards from the middle. As you continue typing, the line is pushed upwards. The box expands from the center and moves outward in all directions. Text typed with the rotation point in the top left corner looks like more natural typing, with the text starting in the top left and continuing across and down. The box with the lower left rotation point will expand from that point up and to the right. Text with a right side rotation point will start on the right and move to the left, and the line will move upward. The box starting at the right side rotation point will expand across and to the left. Experiment with rotation points for some interesting effects.